दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 9th और 10th के ये है तो सभी स्टूडेंट्स हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और जानिए कि Friends, in this video we will discuss about how to find the area of regular polygons. This is the interesting video for you. You can find here the area of any type of regular polygons from this formula. So the formula of the area of regular polygon equal to n into side square divided by 4 into cot 180 degree divided by n. So what is the n here? N is the number of sides. N is the number of side. Number of sides of that regular polygon. So dear, how can you find the area of any type of regular polygon? Let us start. Let us to find the area of regular polygon. Dear, you know that the smaller sides of regular polygon means smallest regular polygon is equilateral triangle. Okay, number one, area of equilateral triangle, because this is a regular polygon having least number of side. सबसे छोटा जो रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन होता है वो ट्राइंगल होता है. तो इसका एरिया आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? यू सी हियर इन द फॉर्मूला, this is n into side. So in the triangle how many side? 1 2 3. So you will put here in the place of n 3 and other things is same to same. So it will be there 3 into side whole square divided by 4 into cot 180 degree and divide by 3, because number of side is given here 3 for the triangle. Now you can simplify it. You know dear, that is 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18 and put 0 here. So this is 60 degree. And dear, you know that 3 into side square, this is same to same, and divide by 4 into cot 60 degree. How much dear? Cot 60 degree, this is the value, that is 1 upon under root 3. Okay, so again you simplify this, you will get this 3 you can write just like that, under root 3 and under root 3, that is 3. Okay, and side square, this is same to same, and divide by 4, and this is 1 upon under root 3, again same to same. So dear, you can see that under root 3 and under root 3 is cancelled out. So what is remaining? Here is only remaining under root 3 by 4 side square. This is the formula to find the area of regular triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Okay, let us another things, that is regular quadrilateral. Do you know what is the regular quadrilateral? Regular quadrilateral is square. Therefore, we will find here area of regular quadrilateral. So dear, again you use the same formula. What is the formula? Formula is n into side square divide by 4 into cot 180 degree and how many side? 4. So here you will put n. अभी तो n ही put करना है. This is the general formula. Now you want to find the area of square. So how many sides in the square? Now area of square there are only 4 sides. So in the place of n and this n you will put 4 only. So what you will get? You will get here 4 into side square and divide by 4 into cot 180 degree and again divide by 4. So dear, you can cancel out it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 ja 16 and 4 5 ja 20. So this is 45 degree and this 4 is cancelled out. You will get here remaining things, that is side square, and the value of cot 45 degrees always 1. Square only side square. You have to learn already. You will know. You have to know about this formula, that is area of square, that is side into side means side square. ये आप पहले से भी जानते थे और इस फॉर्मूले से भी आपने रेगुलर क्वाड्रिलेटरल, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर, आपने फाइंड किया. सी इज हेक्सागोन. So how can you find the area of hexagon? Area of regular hexagon. So again you used formula, that is general formula, and formula is n into side square and divide by 4 into cot 180 degree and divide by n once again. N is the number of side. So how many side in the hexagon? There are 6 side into the regular hexagon. So you will put the value of n here only. केवल n का वैल्यू ही इसमें पुट करना है, बाकी फॉर्मूला आपका सेम टू सेम रहना है. तो आप यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, n की जगह पे 6 लिखना है, साइड आपका सेम टू सेम रहेगा, 4 भी आपका सेम ही लिखना है, और कॉट 180 डिग्री एंड डिवाइड बाई 6. You can cancel out it, that is 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, so 30 degree, and you can cancel out this 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. So what is the remaining things here? आपके लिए यहाँ क्या क्या बचेगा वो आपको लिख लेना है. Here is you will get, that is 3 into side square and divide by 2, and you know that cot 30 degree. How much the value of cot 30 degree? This is under root 3. Can simplify it again? So dear, this is the general formula to find the area of regular hexagon, that is 3 under root 3 by 2 into side square. In the same way, you can find the area of any regular polygon. Okay dear. How can you find the each angle of regular polygon? Yes dear, you can find each angles of regular polygons. So dear, this is the formula for you to find the regular polygon. It is theta equal to n minus 2 divide by n. You can write n as capital also, n minus 2 and divide by n into 180 degree. So dear, now you can find each angles of any regular polygons. Let one is, first of all I want to find each angle of triangle. So for equilateral triangle, yes dear, how many sides in this triangle? There are 3 sides. So you will get each angle, that is theta, equal to how much you can write? n3 minus 2 divide by 3 into 180 डिग्री. क्योंकि नंबर ऑफ साइड इक्विलैटरल में कितनी होती हैं? 3 होती हैं. तो n की जगह आप क्या पुट करेंगे? 3. सो यू विल गेट हियर 3 minus 2 means 1 by 3 into 180 degree. You can cancel out it, that is 3 1 ja 3 and 3 6 ja 18 and 0 also here 60 degree. Therefore each angle of equilateral triangle is dear, you will get how much? It is 60 degree. 60 degree is the value of regular triangle, that is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle का each angle कितने डिग्री का होगा? 60 डिग्री का होगा. Now let us, it is regular quadrilateral. So regular quadrilateral means square. So dear, how many side in this square? There are 4 side. So the formula is, you know that this is theta equal to n minus 2 and divide by n and into 180 degree. So you will get, placing the value of n, how many sides in the square? There are 4 sides, so 4 minus 2 and divide by 4 into 180 degree. After simplifying it, you will get 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16 and 4 5 ja 20. And 4 minus 2 is, this is how much? 2. 2 into 45 degree. How much this dear? This is 90 degree. Therefore, each angle of square is 90 degree. Same way you can find the each angle of hexagon or any type of regular polygon. So let for regular hexagon. How many sides in the hexagon? There are 6 sides. So you can find each angle for regular hexagon. Formula for the regular hexagon is theta, this is same to same, n minus 2 and divide by n into 180 degree. So you will get each angle of regular hexagon. This is dear 6 minus 2 and divide by 6 into 180 degree. So what you will get here, that is 6 1 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18 and 0 is also so 30 degree, and 6 minus 2 is how much dear? This is 4. So you will put 4 into 30 degree, that is 100, 3 4 ja 12, that is 120 degree. This is the each angle of a regular hexagon. So you can find each angle of any of regular polygon using this formula, that is n minus 2 divide by n into 180 degree. Okay dear. Now हे प्रिंस, इसको बंद करो धीरे से. Now you can find the perimeter of any regular polygon using this formula, that is perimeter of regular polygon equal to length of side into number of side. Length of side into number of side. So examine this formula for number 1. This is equilateral triangle. Number 1, this is for equilateral triangle. So how many sides in the equilateral triangle? It is there 3. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle, this is there, number of side is 3 and the length of side is, let us A. So you can write here only side. So 3 into side. This is the formula to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle, that is 3 into side. On the same way you can use this formula for equilateral regular quadrilateral. Number 2, that is regular quadrilateral. So how many sides in the regular quadrilateral? There are 4. Is what? This is dear perimeter of square. Regular quadrilateral, it is square. Perimeter of square. So the formula is number of side into side. So number of side is 4 and side you will put here. So this is the formula for 4 into side. In the same way you can use this formula for pentagon. So you will get 5 into side. How many side in the pentagon? 5. So 5 into side. And regular hexagon. So how many side into the regular hexagon? This is 6. So you can get the formula of regular hexagon. This is 6 into side. So you can write here perimeter of regular hexagon it is dear how many side into the regular hexagon? 6. So you can write 6 into side. So dear, this is the interesting video for you. So thank you dear. So dear,